Keedwell Luxury Studio Apartments in Bognor Regis on the south coast of England. This is off peak, so October to be precise. This is the inside, what you could call like a lobby, the rooms at the front. So you got good lighting, decent flooring, and this is a staircase going up to some of the other rooms. My room was on the ground floor. You got contactless entry. You get sent the codes for the main door and then for the key to your room. My room was the Kati Sark. And here we are. We're going to get into the room. Now remember, no such thing as a pool or restaurant or anything like that. This is like studio apartments. And yeah, £70 a night, but that's the price in UK. So by UK standards, I mean, that's about the going rate for this level of accommodation. So we're going to get the lights on. That window faces the street. The type of bed that like sort of folds up against the wall, but was still comfortable. And so you got a little seating area here. The TV, it goes on, but I couldn't access any of the channels. Huge cupboard, kitchenette, working stove top, very clean. Microwave, that's what I used. Some crockery as well. Dishwashing soap and sugar, but no coffee, no creamer provided. Yeah, so you got that seating area that we saw initially, the red tub chairs, and then you also had these chairs in this kitchenette section of the room. Let's go to the bathroom. So visually appealing, the bathroom. Again, clean, spotless, but the shower was dreadful. Why was it dreadful? Intermittently hot and cold. Hot like burning hot, and then cold. So, I mean, this was October, it wasn't midwinter, but imagine in midwinter and having to put up with that. So here's the room again. So, good size room, especially if you one or two people. The walls could do with some work, some cheap touch-up with paint would go a long way. I didn't like the heater. You're going to see there's no central heating. Okay, before we get to that, here's the fridge. I didn't show you the fridge earlier. But and there's a bin under the sink there as well. But the heater is just a plug-in heater that I'm going to come to shortly. Now, for a room of this size, and close to the window, I was expecting central heating. Okay, we're still not quite there. And a bit of stickers there on this. Here's the heater. This is this dreadful heater. When I say dreadful, it was good enough for my trip. But imagine midwinter and having to rely on that.